Ken Heron first. Oh my goodness, Ken!
Look, Ken, I prepared. I'm wearing 2 watches.
Ken,
Are we live?
this is
on? Is everybody seeing us?
Yeah, you're live and ready to rock and roll right now. That's how exciting this is.
Man.
Ken, this
Let me
is
just tell you.
This is
Let me just tell you.
M0A office dad, Wayne, who you've been talking to.
Oh, okay. Hey, how you doing, Wayne?
What a good-looking guy. Wayne is going to fill in for me so I can go get a cup of coffee. He even brought me lunch real quick. I just need 2 minutes, but I'll let you say hi to the M0A Remote Pilot Nation.
Jason, every once in a while.
You got to do what you got to do. Don't put anything in my water. Oh, that's your water. Don't do anything. Ken, keep him in line while I'll be back.
You got it. I just have to say, I really enjoyed the Joel and Bob show and their wacky antics.
Well,
I really enjoyed watching that.
You were right there with them. I imagine that we're going to keep the laughs going. I have a lot of questions for you. But for now, you're stuck with Office Dad for 2 minutes, and you got a couple hundred people on YouTube and Facebook, so don't embarrass me, okay?
Okay. Yeah, we'll just watch all your viewers diminish as they realize it's a drone guy.
No, get out of here. Get out of here. All right, Wayne, let me go make a cup of coffee.
Bye, pilot people. Bye.
Catch everybody up too on how Ken and I actually met. So we launched Remote Pilot 101. Ken happened to be a customer, didn't know who Ken Heron was. And one day, Matt, who at the time was heading up the support team, came over and said, Jason, we received this really odd support ticket today. It's from this gentleman who did a review of our course. And he said he just wanted to send it in to let us know that he did it. And it was Ken Heron, and I went to watch the video, and you all may have seen this video. It is the reason I wear 2 watches to this day is thanks to this man right here, because that what's that video up to now? 200,000 or 300,000 views last time I checked. It's quite a popular video. He did a review of Remote Pilot 101, and the main selling features, Ken, I don't know if you remember this, were that Jason wears 2 watches, and that you would get lost in his crystal blue eyes. Those were your words.
Oh, yeah. Well, I mean, you are a striking man. For men and women alike, look at you as quite the human specimen. You're striking, and I met you for the first time at an event called Spin Up that us droners put on.
Yes.
And you were there, and not only are you good looking, but you smell fantastic. I mean, if your audience ever has an opportunity to smell you, that's something you won't soon forget.
That's the selling point. That is the selling point right there. I'm telling you. Yeah. So that's how I was first introduced to you, Ken.
Yeah. Now speaking of your deep blue eyes that are like the summer sky, I put together a little song for you. Would you like me to sing it for you?
I can only imagine. Go ahead.
Okay. Let's see. Let me get a little bit of reverb. I am a professional after all. Can you hear that reverb?
It sounds great.
It's a very short song. Are you a Willie Nelson fan?
I haven't listened to the old Willie in a while, so I can only imagine.
Okay, well, this is inspired by a Willie Nelson song. And it's about you, so you should like it. In the cockpit glow, I see them. Blue eyes flying in his plane as he gets the tower clearance. Down the runway he goes again. Jason is a flying master, wearing 2 watches is his way. Through the ages I'll remember blue eyes at M0A. Applause.
I don't even know what to say. That a lot of talent went into that. That might be the new. Hey, John. Maybe that could be the new intro sequence. I spent
the whole 11 minutes doing that for you.
You have immense talents, much more than drone flying. You got a real knack for this radio stuff, kid. You keep it up. You
Well,
know?
my live stream is a radio show disguised as a drone show. To be honest.
I totally get it. When did you think of this?
The song?
Yeah, the song.
Oh, earlier today. I was like, let's see, what rhymes with plane? And
And you just ran with it from there.
Yeah.